So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So
Starting off with the classic, I wasn't read my rights argument. Quick legal reality check. Miranda warnings protect you from self-incrimination during police questioning. They don't automatically erase an arrest. A lot of people think it's a magic dismissal button. It's not. So right away, she's confident, but may not fully understand the battlefield she's on.
ain't that against the law?
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right? If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial. So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go?
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? So if I get my money, I can get out.
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? It's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I read the post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault.
Christina Bear. Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that you...
Now the charge is officially on the table. Misdemeanor assault up to 93 days in jail. That might sound minor, but 3 months behind bars is life-disrupting. Jobs, housing, reputation, all at risk. And notice how calm the judge is laying it out. Courtrooms don't need drama. The stakes speak for themselves.
That the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
She's asking if her 30 days already served count. And that's actually a smart question. Jail credit typically applies if there's a conviction. But here's the bigger move happening. She's representing herself. That means no legal safety net, no whispered advice, no procedural lifeline, and judges won't bend the rules just because you're not a lawyer. Bold strategy, but high risk.
I don't know how much time you...
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount?
5,000.
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
All
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or no trial?
This jury versus bench trial moment is bigger than it sounds. A jury trial means regular citizens decide your fate. A bench trial means the judge does. Juries can be sympathetic, but they can also be unforgiving if they sense attitude. Based on what we've seen so far, which route would you choose if your freedom was on the line?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she ain't got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
And we're back to bond confusion. Here's the key. Bond isn't about guilt or innocence. It's about ensuring you return to court. Posting bond buys temporary freedom, not closure. But listen to the tone shift. Frustration is creeping in. And in court, frustration rarely helps your case.
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Because you just asked her the same thing. And she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And... Okay, let's try.
This closing commentary hits hard. But here's the legal truth. Courtrooms reward preparation, not volume. Representing yourself requires discipline, strategy, and emotional control. If this preliminary hearing feels chaotic, trial will magnify that tenfold. So let me ask you, is this confidence or self-sabotage in real time?
This one.
If this is how she handles a preliminary hearing, the trial is going to be a full-blown meltdown on public display. It won't just be entertaining, it'll be exhausting to watch her throw herself against the wall of reality. I'd bet good money she ends up serving the full stretch. Juries don't usually reward tantrums. Maybe it's 90 days, maybe it's trimmed to 2 months, but either way, society will breathe easier with her on pause. And honestly, the sentence length almost feels secondary when you consider her behavior, because even if she dodges time, she's already shown exactly why she doesn't belong running free without consequences. What really stings is how much patience is required just to get through with this hearing. Judge Simpson deserves hazard pay for not losing his temper. When she glared at her former lawyer like they somehow landed her behind bars, that was just peak delusion. No attorney in the world can save you from your own fists or your own mouth. And that's the bigger lesson here. Justice isn't built on volume, it's built on facts and responsibility. If yelling worked, every courtroom in America would collapse into chaos by lunch. Instead, judges like Simpson hold the line, making sure the loudest voice doesn't rewrite the rules. So let me ask, should she sit every one of those 90 days? Or is there any case for giving her a lighter shot? I know where I stand, but I'm curious what you guys think. So let me know your take down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.